Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve Windows update with the error code 0x80070433 on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. The error may be triggered by issues with critical Windows services, faulty system settings, or conflict with third-party software. And then I'll show you some solutions that it could help to you. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to ensure Windows Update services are running. All you have to do is to open up on a search menu. In here at Windows, search and then type services. And then click open. And once you open up the services, and next step, and then you need to find and locate this Windows update. So scroll down and then locate this Windows update. So all you have to do is to select and right click and then click restart. So that means this is already running. Alright, so click restart and wait to complete the restart process. And after that, so same here, and then select and double click. And then here at general properties, and here at startup type, and then click this arrow and select automatic, and then click apply, and then click OK. Alright, so the next keyword that we need to modify, so scroll up and then find this background intelligence transfer service. So same procedure, select and right click and then select restart and wait to complete the restart process. And after that, so same here, select and double click again. And then here at general properties, and then here at startup type, so select and automatic and then click apply and click OK. Alright, on the last keyword that we need to find is the cryptographic services. So once you locate this cryptographic services, so same procedure, select and right click and then select restart and wait to complete the restart process. And after that, so select and double click again. And then here at general properties and then select automatic at startup type and click apply and then click OK. Alright, so after here at services, and the other solutions we will do is to reset the Windows Update components. So all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu and then search for apps, type CMD, or this is the command prompt and you need to right click and tap run as administrator. If you receive user account control and click yes. And once you open up this administrator command prompt, and next step, then we need to enter this command keyword NATSH space OneSock space reset. So type this command keyword NATSH space OneSock space reset and press enter. And successfully reset the OneSock catalog, and you must restart their computer in order to complete the reset. So close this CMD and here at the start menu, and you need to restart. Alright, so tap only this and hope to resolve the error. But if the issue still persists, and the last solutions we will do is to perform the SFC and the semi-scan. So all you have to do is to open up again on the search menu and then here at search for apps and then type CMD and then you need to right click and tap run as administrator. If you receive user account control and tap yes. Once you open up this administrator command prompt, and next step, and then you need to type this command keyword SFC space /scan now. So in all a small letter and then /scan now, that is one word, and press enter. And beginning system scan, this process will take some time. beginning verification space of system scan. So here we need to wait to complete the verifications into 100% in a couple of minutes. And finally, verifications 100% complete. And the next step, then close CMD and we need to restart again. So here at the start menu and then click restart again. Alright, so that's it guys on how to fix Windows Update with the error code 0x80070433 and Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.